Hi, welcome to the last Prepare Yourself for Christmas. If you're sad that this is the last episode, let me know in the comments down below. For the last one, of course, Christmas tree. I made this simple Christmas tree. It's a decor item. You can use it this way, the spiral way, or I'll show the pictures. As always, we'll start by cutting up our lumber. Plane your boards down to the right thickness. I'm cutting the slats for the Christmas tree on the bandsaw. This way I can get more slats out of one board. I still planed them down to the right thickness, but I needed to plane a lot less. Sand all the slats for the Christmas tree smooth. When I'm cutting at the miter saw, I'm always using painter's tape. Start by cutting one end of all the slats at 30 degrees. I'm using another slat with a 30-degree angle as a stop block. Here I'm cutting the smallest piece. Always protect your fingers. I'm using a block of wood that's 6 mm thick, so I can move my stop block each time when I'll cut a new piece. Drill a 9 mm hole in the middle of each piece. For the longest piece, you can drill an 8 mm hole or an 8 mm and a half. Sand all the pieces smooth. Now let's make our 8 mm dowel for the trunk. Cut a piece of lumber that's a little bit thicker than 8 mm. Knock off the edges a bit on the belt sander, and then you can put it in your drill. I'm pushing it through a thread cutting die. The top of the trunk needs to be a bit smaller in diameter. The trunk needs to fit in a 6 mm hole. That's because we will be putting a Christmas star on the top of the tree. Transfer the shape of the star onto your lumber. Drill a 6 mm hole before you'll cut it out on the bandsaw or scroll saw. If you like the mini-series and all the toys I'm making in it, please be sure to share all the videos with your friends. It helps me a lot. And give the videos a thumbs up. It means a lot to me. Now there's still some sanding to do on the star. My apologies, my camera died when I was making this base block, but as you can see I chamfered the edges of the block. Glue the trunk in place. I'm using some spacers to create some air at the bottom of the tree. The air I used is 3 cm. Now you can glue the bottom piece in place. The trunk, the bottom slat and the star are the only things that are glued in this Christmas tree. Drill a 5 mm hole through the slat and through the trunk to reinforce this bond. Glue the 5 mm dowel in place and cut off the rest of it. Oil all the pieces with mineral oil before you put it together. That's much easier. Glue on the star and then you can finish the star with mineral oil or some other finish you like. So this was it, and I'll see you in the next year. I wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and let's hope 2021 will be a better year. Bye!